Now we are going to look at how to choose a theme in your Google site. Google wants us to have beautiful looking websites, and so they do some things to make it really easy for us. So in the very top right hand corner, we're going to click on the tab that says themes. And while we can create some new custom themes, that's a newer piece in Google, we're going to close that up. We are going to look at their existing themes. So when we scroll down, we see that there are a number of different templates that we can choose from. Any one of these that we choose, you can see that the header changes its look. And then as we go through, we could change the color. And then I can also change the font style. There's typically 3 styles to choose from. And so we can just go through and we can take a look at how our website might look with different fonts and different colors. When you find one that you like, you can stick with it. But at any point in your design process, you can come along, pick another one, change the defaults, and your whole entire website will automatically change.